Okay, today from the Madhouse, Geek Lab. Same thing really, isn't it? Yes, today we have a video that is a little different because this one is more of a technical video than you're used to getting from me. Because recently, yes, recently, this has already taken place, which means I'm doing the introduction after I film the video. You're going insane! I can't handle the insanity of that concept! Get a grip yourself. Ow, that actually hurt. My neighbours are making banging noises, I don't know why. Anyway, yes, so we were cleaning the Geek Lab and noticed the state of the keyboards on the Amigas. They've been a bit rotty since we got them a long time ago, and I've never had the testicles to take them apart, strip them down and clean them. So, that's what we've done. And the video will cover what we did and the putting back together and the testing. Now unfortunately, one of the computers appears to have not survived. We have yet to find out why, but we didn't test it for a long time before we started, so it may have been that. So there's that, that's the main part of the video, and an announcement. So we've had one death and several births in the lab. Let me show you. We've been overtaken by plans. Help me! Help! No, not really. Anyway, those of you who have been watching the channel for a while, or have even seen my May 10 collection video, will have seen these tiny little chilies, which since then, as you can see, have grown just slightly. But that's not the main thing. Here's the main thing. Looking behind here, you can just see here, I think. Oh wait, you can just see here the first of the Geek Lab Chillies. I shall name him Roger, and he shall be dried out and used for next year's chilies. So, that's some birth, and here's the main video. Right, here are the two suspects. Here's the Amiga 600. 1992, something like that. Not sure off the top of my head. And the Amiga 1200, all in bits here. Now, the PCB, which is there, is usually hidden under the shield. But the PCB was absolutely covered in dust. Because I've never cleaned this out since I got it, and I know it was dusty when I got it. But I never had the balls to take it out, so I've cleaned it. But what I found is a little friend has been modded. Sorry, this doesn't have macro mode, so there we go. Yes, this little modification with this resistor and this wire which goes all the way around to there. Don't know what that is, but it's been done. So there we go. If somebody knows, let me know, please. Right, what we're going to do is start with the Amiga 600. Now you can see what I've done. I've taken the keyboard electronics away. That's the pad, leaving just the keyboard and its mechanism. This has then gone in the sink with a paintbrush. Where's Mr. Paintbrush gone? Ah, here it is. With a paintbrush in the sink, and scrubbing with some hand wash. And then it's been left for a day to dry out, so there's no water left at all. And now you're going to see me try and put these back together. So, here we go. Right, for a start, just need to nip over here. First, we have to have the essential cup of tea, which is going to be kept away from all this kit. Right, so I may have to speed this on a bit because this first bit of the process is a wee bit tedious. I got to put a lot of small screws into that plate to hold these two back together. Okay, it appears I was right the first time. Just how they are on that side. Test that disc again, make sure the drive's in the right place. Yep, she's a good one. Okay, we shall test that in a bit downstairs. First of all, it's the turn of the Amiga 1200, and that is going to be so much more fun. Because for a start, the case, from the time I bought it, has half its screws missing, and trying to get the floppy drive to align correctly is what's technically known as a nightmare. So, time to do that one. Okay, keyboard first, similar to the last one. This one also has an LED which needs to be installed. Let's get all these screws out. Nice coil there. It's always good to have your screws in the container so you don't lose them. Unfortunately, the last person who had it did not have the same idea. Okay. LED installed. Right. Okay, just check. Well, that's the first time I've ever managed to get that disk drive to mount properly, which means the whole thing probably doesn't work. Now, you'll notice I've missed this out. Unfortunately, it's dead, so leaving that out this time. What I have done, I've just noticed, as I was putting it together, I haven't managed to. I've I'm just cleaning this bit, so I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to take these two buckets downstairs and attempt to fire them up. I shall see you down there. Okay, first up, our first candidate is the 600. So, there she is. Oh, the mouse needs a bit of restoration. And there's a TV. And here's the power. Let's see what she does. I do know that sometimes this needs... There we go. There she is. Now, put in a Duft. Put in a Duft workbench this time, test the keyboard. ASDF GHJKL WERTYUIOP. All seems to work pretty fine. And so does the... don't know if you can see that there. There you go, let's have a look. So does the LED. So, yeah, that method of keyboard restoration works. For that, let's go try the 1200. Okay, we're back. And I have to announce the sad demise of the 1200, which was never reliable anyway, but can't get much life out of it at the moment. Everything's connected up as usual. Checked all the connections, checked everything. All it does when you switch it on, it's going to work now, obviously. Power light. You hear the floppy kick in. That's it. I'll try to reinstalling the hard drive. Doesn't like the hard drive. Hard drive dies. Tried all these connections, everything seems fine. So for the moment, the 1200 is dead. But it works, it worked on the 12, well, I don't think that's anything to do with the keyboard cleaning, but yes, may have destroyed something. Oh well. One down. Thank you very much.